Hello everyone. In continuation with the previous video, that is important chapters in physics for NEET 20 years paper analysis. In this video, I am going to discuss about the importance of modern physics topic in NEET preparation. Modern physics is a very easy to score and one of the most important topic for NEET physics exam. Every year in NEET exam, 8 to 9 questions are asking from modern physics content. These are the some important topics in modern physics you should pay special attention. Coming to the important subtopics, important topics, one is photoelectric effect, photon and dual nature of radiation, alpha particle scattering, Bohr atomic theory, radioactivity, alpha beta gamma rays comparison, nature, etc., mass energy relation, nuclear fission and fusion, semiconductor diodes, transistor configuration, rectifier, logic gates. Here, with the addition of the topic name, I mentioned the some number within the bracket that mean this number representing the how many times the topic is given in last 20 years. For example, when we take in the photoelectric effect, 27 times the photoelectric effect related questions are asked in last 20 years. That means every year one or more than one question are expecting from the photoelectric effect. Similarly, 16, 5, 22, 27, 13, 10, 21, 17, 3 and 18. So based on this analysis, we can get some information like some idea which topic is most important in modern physics. Coming to the subtopics, when we take in the photoelectric effect, generally in case of photoelectric effect, he may ask the questions relevant to the finding the work function or finding the maximum kinetic energy or stopping potential in terms of work function, etc. Coming to the dual nature of radiation, energy of photon, momentum of photon, number of photons emitted from light having power P, and de Broglie matter wavelength in terms of both the energy as well as potential. Coming to the Rutherford and Bohr atomic model, alpha particle scattering or impact parameter, how the impact parameter or the scattering parameter is depend on the theta or depend on the Z, etc. So coming to the Bohr atomic model, he mainly concentrate on the radius of nth orbit and energy levels of hydrogen atom, orbital velocity, frequency of electron or time period of electron in nth orbit, Lyman-Balmer-Paschen bracket wave number, or the relation between the kinetic energy and potential energy and total energy of electron when it is revolving in a particular orbit. In 2018, one question given with relation like the ratio between the kinetic energy and total energy of electron when it is revolving in particular orbit. Coming to the radioactivity, in case of radioactivity, it mainly focused on the number of particles available after certain interval of time that is related to the disintegration and age of plants, half-life, mean life, etc. And alpha beta gamma rays comparison, nature, etc. In this point of view, what is the meaning of alpha? For example, when we take in the alpha point of view, it's called as W ionized helium. So coming to the beta, so the nature of beta when you compare with the alpha gamma or ionization power in between the alpha beta gamma. So the question will come like this. And coming to the mass energy relation, that is mass defect, binding energy and packing fraction. Some theory questions may ask in this mass energy relation like which element has more packing fraction or which element has most binding energy per nucleon, etc. Nuclear fission and fusion point of view, he give the some equations and we have to find out the elements which are present within the reaction. Coming to the semiconductor diodes, in case of semiconductor point of view, intrinsic and extrinsic differences, and coming to the diodes point of view, PN junction diode and GNR diode, forward bias, reverse bias connection, IV characteristics of GNR and PN junction diode, etc. In case of transistor configuration, common emitter, common base and common collector configuration, the common emitter is most important compared to the common base and common collector configuration, current gain, voltage gain, power gain relation, etc. Coming to the rectifier, efficiency, RMS current and DC current of off-wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Coming to the logic gates, generally he will ask the output based on the input parameters, or he will give the some AND gate or OR gate. We have to find the output, or he will give the output. Finally we have to find out the which type of gate it is. So mostly logic gates, every time one question is expecting, and it is compulsory in from the logic gates point of view. And these are the general important subtopics in each and every part of modern physics. So almost if you consider all these topics, we may score at least 8 to 9 questions easily out of 45. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for your NEET preparation. If you like this video, please subscribe EduHub Hyderabad, and we'll meet in part 3. Thank you.